Guys, welcome to the video. I will be showing you a review of my 3D printer. This is a short review because this is my first review. Please like this video so I can do more and better reviews. On to the video. This is my 3D printer I just got. Okay, let's boot it up. It's a really fancy printer. And I added googly eyes. I like how the menu screen works, and it makes everything easier. You can control the printer. It's hard when you try to move it with your hands. I also like this printer as touchscreen. So good. Also, the prints come out awesome. Look. I really love the light control. And the advanced settings. You can buy this printer yourself. I recommend it. But it's your choice. Link will be in description. I like the magnetic screen so that you can see it when you're far away from it. This all I got. You can see the rest of the video, but I won't be